Tech 100 and Dow Jones both try to recover today from the drop yesterday, from the bottoms yesterday, and it is again falling shy of on the upside. It is very much hesitant. So, what to expect today? Can we expect a fall again, or there is a possibility of reversal? What is going to be our strategy trading Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel to get twice a day updates. Press the bell icon, and yes, do like, share, and comment, friends. Your every like, comment, share is a great motivation. And if you have not joined the channel memberships, press the join button. Let's start. First, we look into Tech 100, followed with Dow Jones Most till the end. See, if you look at Tech 100, it is in the retracement channel, higher lows, higher highs, support at 17,200, very, very strong. For last couple of or more hours, it is finding it hesitant to break now below 220. See, this was the resistance. Now it has become the support. Now, once you see trading below 17,220, we can initiate a selling position. How far it can drop? We can look forward to 17,150 as the major support. Now, remember, as long as it respects this channel, 17,200, 17,150 zone, as long as Nasdaq 100 respects, we should not be treating this as bearish. It could potentially bounce back. Also, on the upside, you will find that there is a greater resistance is observant here, and now see couple of bullish candle consolidation, and once it breaks out, it is going to be a stronger one also. Thus, once you see trading beyond 17,270, we can initiate a buying position. You can, and this is possibly the next candle which is going to be there. This could possibly take the prices towards 17,300, 350 zone. Also, one must note it has to break beyond this zone in order to confirm a reversal here. Stochastic overbought, MACD is divergent and bullish, RSI is flat. Coming to 2 hour chart, on the 2 hour charts, one must note that see forming a tail here, it is on the recovery path, but notice the preceding candle and the preceding candle body sizes have diminished. This candle is finding it resistance to go on the upside. Yes, it has retraced towards the median and the 20 period moving average. Thus, a sharper reversal cannot be denied. A selling entry at 17,220 can be taken here. Stochastic overbought, MACD crossing over here for the buys. It could possibly lead to a further rise, but it is right now appears to be hesitant. RSI rising. On the 3 hour chart, similar observation. Look at the crossover on the moving averages. Prices are divergent from the moving average. It could converge, which means above 270 levels, possibly little bullishness can be seen, taking it till towards 300, 350 zone, which is going to be a greater resistance zone here. Now, also, if you notice here, lower lows, lower highs, thus 17,350 achievable at a greater resistance. Stochastic rising, MACD is trying to converge crossover for the buys, RSI rising as well. On the 4 hour chart, similar observation here. Only thing in the 4 hour charts is, see, this is the first bullish candle. There could be a possibility of a second bullish candle. How high it could fly? We have to wait for it to break beyond the zone at 17,300, 350. Very strong resistance exists there. Stochastic rising, MACD is trying to converge crossover. It is bearish, RSI flat. Coming to the daily. Now, if you notice on the daily charts, what it has done, rise retracement, 20 period moving average is still proving out to be a great support. Thus, we need to wait for Tech 100 today to break below 17,150 levels in order to confirm further drop. And yes, if it drops below 17,100, that should be the time when you should just stay short in Nasdaq, and you can expect it to crash heavily towards 17,000 and 16,970 levels. Very strong support there. Thus, right now it is retracing beyond 17,270. We can initiate a buying position. Expect 300, 350 zone as a greater resistance zone. You have to be careful in it around those levels. And yes, any move beyond 17,350, still it will find its resistance intact at 17,400. Only reversal confirmation is if you see Tech 100 trading above 17,400. A selling entry at 17,220 can be taken. Be careful at 17, 200, 180, and then 150 levels, three support levels, and below that 17,080 is the next target. After that, it will definitely break 17,000. Take your positions accordingly. Let's have a look at Dow Jones. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my 29th mentorship batch. 28th has just commenced. Register yourself now. Equip yourself with the right tools and strategy. And yes, you can also be part of my Signals channel on Telegram. Ping me on Telegram or email if you need any clarifications or if you have any doubts related to the services. Also, join the free Telegram channel for live updates and be a part of my platform forexfunda.com, which is my own platform where you get the economic calendar, the live charts, and the community of traders where you can initiate the discussions. And yes, you can also Book a call with me if you need any consultation or guidance. Now, let's have a look at Dow. See, look at US30. After the sharp drop, minor retracement, then the higher lows, and it is trying to retrace again. But most importantly, at least right now, shying away from breaking past 38 200, 50 300 zone. Yes, these are the two levels which, if US30 breaks past by, we can expect that it is trying to reverse. We have to watch out more carefully and at around those levels. 300 was earlier as resistance, is again going to be a resistance for US30 today. Stochastic overbought. MACD has crossed over at the bottom, trying to trade with divergence and bullishness. It could lead to a little rise. RSI rising. Coming to 2 hour charts, similar observation here. One must notice reversal sign, and since then longer tails suggest that it could try to move towards 38 300 levels. There is a little probability. Beyond 300 is where accelerated or slight bullish momentum can be seen, which could lead to higher prices. Stochastic rising, MACD is trying to converge. A crossover here can lead to the reversal. RSI rising, similar observation on the 3 hour charts as well, suggestive of reversal. We have to wait for it to break beyond 250-300 zone, and yes, 250-300 are achievable levels. Stochastic rising, MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI rising. Similar observation on the 4 hour charts. And yes, on the downside, one must notice that below 38 150 we have to initiate a selling position. Stochastic is oversold. MACD has still not much of room. It is trading with divergence and bearishness looking downwards. See, double top levels could lead to further drop, a little convergence, and then the drop. This is what we can expect. RSI flat. Coming to the daily. Now look at the daily charts. After this rise, it has been trading in this channel. This is the bullish channel. Support levels at 38 100, very much intact here. Only if it breaks below 38 100, we could treat that it is breaking this channel. Look at this channel. It is breaking this channel. That is what we can confirm if it breaks below 38 100 levels. And thus below which, and also remember, yesterday was the first bearish candle. It could lead to a second bearish candle, but chances of a reversal and a rise exist more than a second bearish candle. Here it could try to trade in this flag formation, this is which is a bullish. However, on the downside, we have to be very, very careful here. Yes, we can initiate a selling entry at 38 180, but then be careful. Rather, I will say 38 150 should be a safer entry, and then 38 100, 38,000. These are the two support levels, and if it breaks below 38,000 levels, certainly we are looking forward to 37 900, 37 800 levels. Stochastic dropping here. MACD is still in green. RSI rising. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy US30 at 38 250. Be careful. As long as 38 300 is not taken, we have to be careful. And then as long as 38 400 is not taken, we have to be extremely watchful. Beyond that, sky is the limit. It could reverse completely. It could rise to all-time highs again. On the downside, be watchful here. A possible drop below 38 150, where you can expect 38 100. And if it trades below 38 we can in fact expect it to move towards 37 900 800 levels, chances for which appears to be less, but you have to be keep open the probabilities. You have to just trade as per the levels here. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch webinar series signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your queries. Do join the channel memberships and ping me for any of your queries. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session update. Watch that as well. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.